The PULUMA PE500 electric bike is built to deliver unmatched performance and versatility, combining power, endurance, and advanced design in one compact machine. Equipped with dual 500W high-efficiency motors that reach a peak output of 1000 Wx2, this e-bike offers the strength and agility to conquer any environment, from busy urban streets to rugged mountain trails, soft sand, and even snow. With 80 Nm of torque and a top speed of 40 km/h, it provides a thrilling ride with smooth acceleration and steady power, no matter the challenge ahead. Powered by a robust 48V 17.5AH lithium battery, the PE500 ensures an impressive range, up to 150 km in pedal assist mode or 70 km in pure electric mode on a single charge. Its removable battery design makes recharging convenient and flexible, perfect for both long-distance adventures and daily commutes. The advanced battery management system enhances safety and efficiency, giving you confidence and reliability wherever your journey takes you. Riding comfort is at the heart of the PE500's design. Featuring a professional-grade off-road shock absorption setup, the bike is equipped with a 750-pound oil spring suspension system that absorbs bumps and impacts with ease. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or uneven terrain, it maintains remarkable stability and agility, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride every time. The 20x4.0-inch all-terrain fat tires provide outstanding grip, slip resistance, and wear protection, enhancing control and traction on every surface. From muddy tracks to snowy roads, the PE500 ensures superior stability and balance, letting you ride confidently through any environment. Smart functionality elevates your experience even further. The integrated LCD display provides real-time data on speed, mileage, battery status, and gear position, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices charged during long rides. Safety features include a hydraulic brake system that delivers fast, precise stopping power and shortens braking distance, ensuring control even at higher speeds. Front and rear lights, including a headlight, taillight, and brake light, enhance visibility during nighttime rides, keeping you safe and seen on every journey. With a Shimano 7-speed transmission, the PULUMA PE500 adapts seamlessly to changing road conditions, offering precise gear shifts for both leisurely cruising and demanding climbs. Durable, powerful, and thoughtfully engineered, the PULUMA PE500 is not just an electric bike. It's your all-terrain partner built for adventure, comfort, and reliability.